G'day folks, in this video I'm making the part that's shown in green in this graphic. It's part for a safety valve. This is the insert I'll be using. As you can see, it's very sharp, ideal for an underpowered lathe like mine. This is the side view. You can see it has a fair amount of rake. It really is a great insert. Right, here we'll have a quick look at the simulation. I'll be using the parting tool as a stop and then facing off, then using a 5mm slot drill to drill a hole and then to open up the opening to the required diameter. Then back to the parting tool, we'll be doing some grooving. And if you're wondering why that went way over the line that was drawn there, it's because I first drew it up at 6.6 and it really needed to be 6 diameter. There you can see we've removed a fair amount of the material. Now we just go in, finish off and part the thing off, and then the tool moves back to the beginning so we can start the process all over again. That black mark is there to help me focus the camera. If you're wondering why it was there, here we are, facing off, tool change, 5mm slot drill. Having to use very slow feed because anything faster is making nasty crunching noises, but then I was able to speed it up to do the boring bar type work, which saved a tool change. Another tool change and we'll be back to the parting tool. There we're doing a bit of turning. That's about as deep as this one will go sideways. It doesn't like parting sideways, turning sideways. But look at it groove. Amazing insert. This is the first parting tool I got when I got my lathe, and it was brilliant. Only does up to 16 diameter, but as you can see, it really removes material quite well. This tool holder will handle inserts 1, 1.5 or 2mm wide, which is pretty handy. And if you want to get serious about parting off and not leaving a nib on the part, this right hand insert is brilliant. That corner radius is 0.05. so you can get down to a very small nib. There's the part, and if you're still here, thank you for watching.